Enti baby Jordan you obiano on shall who see because what is Ghana ha mountain so that's the boys in so the moi. Said o mesi dufu. Said o mesi asise le hono. Oh hu ni ye. Ni nyina fa World Cup e ko boy. Match e ko boy against Panama in Sports Field BMO. Toronto Montreal so Canada no. On say Jordan and you say oh boy a car. That was Bob Black Stars team the car. You ni free mo and nya win. Because of that, Ghana for instance, Jordan you there, number 2 in the first place. Now your next match is Biano, you benching with a seat bet. And that's the cost. Me won't the moon watch the word in the area, mammy. Our comment section. I have PENYAH block media. Best was any demo. Over like if you are down my subscribe button, subscribe, click notification, connect latest update. Number to the word in the mammy. Our comment section. Over so. Not your first on your biaction. Number can for Nala money sending up and the amount. Who UK, who USA, baby, up your sending ebefie, usani kakra ebre busuafo a. En first kan nkoma momo agent. Na fe u frefie busa sika na ba. Omsema na fo yam hyehyew ase akwano afo sika da bi mame. Don't go through all this stress. Che app no to phone so call App Store, call Play Store. Che Nala money sending app. And I said the Nala keke, Nala ebeba install to phone so. Register account with o number. Baby obi afa o number register. O send this guy also use promo code PENYAH TV. Obecho eku $20. Fa what do you actually? Maybe who don't what $20. Umperi. Now for day. Monala na yenko yenim. You know, Ghana Blasters work up ayeko yeso yaka humbi. You know yaka humbi. Ama when is the tell me and your boy your first match our opening game. Now no yako na Ghanaians were highly anticipated. Just say now you need that win so because that day need in fact. Na I was win na nkasa na Ghana win go nipa dignitaries na I was still the one more and supported Blasters team no na enya day I was a Ghana you lose that day otu mfu nkasa wo hon mo hwebo what I say I want to go catch them say dedicate a goal to me but I yakobo Ghana Vice President Professor Jenna Nopokwaji na owo hon mu bi esika for Google than Richard Emakwe otu ne private jet e go pay one mo support the Blasters
you do me like
Panama, we are coming for you in Toronto. We are coming for you like Kakalika.
Despite just the East Lagos Executive Club no omu ko ho
that work out and how much they say daddy you know me. Hey, Bobby, hello. Hey, dog. How do you see the match today? Yeah, amen. I know you guys have brought a lot. Champion. Yeah. Champion legend. No, who match this thing? Oh. Mr. Yas.
That's right.
Match in the morning saying.
Oh, you caught 2-0.
2-0. Big man. Jose.
Never go on to at least. Never go on at back, but 1 minute. 2-0. Yeah.
2-1. Okay.
That's right.
Good luck.
Ah, massa. Nipa kuku dama na wo ho no that day no support Blasters no. Na honhom no wo mu. Emodu ankasa. It not just say it was a win for Blasters. E ma ball no de nyame anim no kure nie. Engofo no boy pa. Yeah, first match there. First half no. Possession obu ball 62% against Ghana 38%. Obu boy ankasa. Shot on target obu ball about 13. Ghana about 3 as 2. Just say obu the ball ne tie first half. Obu the tires one gaza. E ma second half e ko ba ye no. No bibi sankan wiem. Jordan, you know, on the captain, not captain, I was saying Thomas Partey, and I did captain band, Emmanuel, but Thomas Partey, no, on say Canada for next anniversary registration to 1 to my man and to quite am a hodamo because of the rip case in that so UK into almost Debbie or international criminal record into one into quite Emma. It's the captain band, Emma, Jordan, and you to a captain for that purpose. Now, where chances be or Messi, yeah, just say, na
Radio here, mobile. With a chance, a clear chance. Cross the ball, no. Jordan. Hey! Jordan. Hey! Jordan pa. Ah! She. Across the ball, I will say. Jordan, you can't so man bobiu. You can't so man bobiu. Debbie. Ah! She. Ah! Get. Oh, Debbie. Jordan. Sune.
Unya Messi chance way man. Just unya senya ball kura. On person be pass it. Just say capito person no atwetwe no akwahye. Dini just say nim de Jordan. Ye nim nyina Jordan kura person kire ball ni mu. Ye nim say ono nkwa na ebo ball no say ye o ye nti ase. Ema ye yini free ye substitute ye free mu na. Ana renche. Caleb renche be she go ni mai. Na say na Jordan na dade bosom ti Ghana so. Wada no bosom bi ti Ghana she breast. Na do ya rain game ni de. But said na see pese game be sia kon ankwa ni sa ma because of that crown no ya maami mu ofi ko mo hwe match no mo de akomatuo look at how na maami panyin o zi hwe Ghana ball
Ora do bobo wa je fa video na tu Enu yala be kali da ga she because
ni ya mo she no nto akata team no so aya ka do one say ya she Ghana la say ya ni nyina nkombra na so ball no esia Jordan you it go me that say busia Ghana for no dey bufu abe clash Jordan you no be that say so buso de buza me and you say ya e bro be fono no mo ka che Jeff say Jordan de obu in fact obu bench no no one's ever seat bet money bench no to obu bet no crowd with the seat bet so that on TV crown sorry
Where striker?
Lenny.
What's the same water from Sahara? What's the same? Oh.
Where am I to say, dear me, dear man, walk as a modern? What can you coach you say in England? You're Georgia and you. Miss Wana, Miss Who, they say, you're Georgia and you. Because Jordan was a cast of the Magana. What a cast the Magrasta. You're penny beer. You're the blaster to move beer. Eh, some other guy. Mr. Catcher, Ghana coach, you know, for mommy, and one or no.
Eh, Jordan Ayew. Before World Cup, squad will troll you on social media. We can one word you know. Let a baller boy in. Baller a boy in. I'm for us here for now, Babado. Jack, Black Stars, why are the papa? Made in Kaka, the team no East Cookie, Marker, or no quite team near East Cookie. Yes, but doesn't change the fact that in the Black Stars, why are the papa? There was something missing in the team for a long time. Or call latter part of the game, or start the original. That is the passion. Passionate as some Wejanamu. What the ball 2010 World Cup. Passionate as some Wejanamu as Steven Appiam. What the ball 2006 World Cup. Since 2010, them passion, you who be a World Cup, 2014, Okoki Siska. That passion, getting to the latter part of any the game, you who there, all the bank, crankra. And me who them na, I'm a meyaji. Bijon says, I catch them member Black Star players, 6, me who. But catch them member 2006 and 2010 Black Star players, line up full, Mobonina. Ochede, yamu binom ye lose interest for the Black Star team. Nka players wakobo World Cup pa nka Ghana. Mutuma bo nyina wodi. Bijanwe, acha na mbo Portugal for of lineup mobo, England lineup mobo, Argentina lineup mobo, Netherlands lineup mobo, Brazil lineup mobo, Senegal lineup mobo, Cote d'Ivoire lineup mobo. This is the mintume mbo Black Star sesa. Not today. Nyame biru kodo wo inside wama minyi odo in my team. And I hope there them World Cup would be revive them odona yoma Black Stars. First half of the game ankoye kra. Second half in them who there afi do oyi squad be theme the squad be leba. Afi no there teamwork na cohesion in a passes na de no eden okodo. Defense waya de pan. Goalkeeper waya de. Problem no baby no wo e midfield unde na ye miss Thomas Partey. Obi a me hu there na all bobo so le bre yes semenyo because na onya link up. The new boy ya wabe Coventry boy Asante Thomas Asante was a baby. Ende na nkasi enya Kudus semenyo Partey Asante na dem diamond shape no or one kobo boatim with the defense and the goalkeeper kobo boatim ne basa but say added Kudus you want what they you forget Kudus. Me who the boys no a new crop of players, new coach or find who fit na dey afin or try to be gel na dey. Enti for now they on your bad subsequent games near Boshe how or then Oboko. As it stands the or your East key. About games 5 year win be. And then your first win in a very long time. The team that they will hear you but me boy abado Jack need a blaster so ya de pa. I mean you game na me give him. Wa ya de papa. O impa call pe. And the main feeling Jordan Ayew no since acha ede obo match bia na de den mentase. Inti yentu month na fom kakra. Say on yada mo month na bench. Oye simple. Odu time na do be man no wa bem. Either by force or game bia on nama Ronaldo or boy Portugal for Ayew. Coach na so pede okonima monte obia only Jordan Ayew on fanentina bench no before Flombo because on what team cohesion no on what okitabo aniti from the mon pass obia like on your team player for Hurricane or Banechira no about support team play no that konim Jordan Ayew on the ball on koye edo tina fum no before Flombo them Coventry boy no almost strike no Jordan Ayew on tina fum. I'm hoping there England game that they forget. Yen win. Draw crop heading. Yen draw. Me hope there Croatia then you put me a boy more than ya draw. Not today to me yenya highest third rank near the Ayew. No Jordan on your pin now or motivate boys and they be an double.
Jordan Ayew, why? Jordan Ayew, why? First of all, Atizigi, we thank God for you. Atizigi, God bless you. Namin Shrawate for bringing you to us today because you did so well. And kaya the train on the baby. Now, the day you New York to events, Jordan Ayew, we beg you. If you are tired, tell the coach. You since I started watching football, I have never seen Jordan Ayew regional in 9. So I've never seen you being on your feet for 15 minutes without falling. Jordan, why? Jordan Ayew, why? You see, I love football. Me, I was also like a sports girl. I know like footballers are strong. You get athletes, they are strong. Football. I know I cannot compare it to what you guys are doing. But you are so soft, like I don't understand. You are too soft. Why? Why, Jordan, please, if you are tired, tell the coach that you are tired. Because you, this one cry is not about old age, because since you started playing football with your brother, I've never ever seen you being on your feet for 15 minutes without falling before. Every second, Jordan Ayew is on the floor. And one thing about you too is, Bono, Obi the ball crowd was I'll play it. You want to like, yes, we know you, yes, you are a legend. But guy, if you are tired, tell us, because this time around, we are not allowing anybody to play with our hearts. Okay, Jordan, we beg you. I have never seen you being on your feet for 15 to 30 minutes without falling. Within 5 minutes, you fall down. And then when you fall down, you stand up and then you be like this. I've never seen you smiling on a pitch before the BR. Why? We know you were a DB, but Charlie can say, why is a mushroom? I don't like that. I like you, like... But this your attitude is getting. I'm just getting mad. Like, we beg you. Did you please talk to your brother? Talk to your brother because we don't want any heart attack. Yo.
Jordan Ayew, me and Cousin Binchiro. What's some papa? Why utirimu tromo se kodi ewo kosuya. Just say yen kan wasem and waje captain band abon nsa. Na unya ba wujire gina so. Okotokoto sesa achichide. ye ni ambre no no waputo na otwehye nchemu Jordan Ayew wasan papa yesrew mankora ne mobɔ no asa wugina mu asa wadan akua ba bi gina bo nim asa wote nkora na sunsum so ɛna wo firi mu within be 10 minutes hwebo anankora ne bɔ Jordan Ayew me yɛn ntoye wabɔ bɔ awie why te ya tena bench ya bɔ na wie 85 minutes ne de waba utiri won hyenhyen se kodi awo kosua den na woje wo de oji die mankora ne ho ntom why dia yesre mu next match some person ye bench Jordan Ayew am yehu o comment section because Ghana ye ni abre ye ni England ne de Jordan Ayew wo je ba okotokoto so no emwa obi tiri ho se ayi tosan to I have some
yo Ghana Blaster coach drop Jordan Ayew ati na Jordan Ayew won say dey make on take ball Jordan Ayew ball Ghana Blaster said here 7 never pan only Ghana Blasters. What you say obobo na o kunu ho mpokwasi apanyiwe. Eno bra Jordan Ayew odinipa dili dia go stadium o. Jordan Ayew nyaba no boss no onyaba won take obobo na stadium fan. Ada mutu drop na. Mo de captain makwasi apanyiwe. Ye wanya sa fo bi ti say John Mensa mo ball captain and lead Ghana Blasters. Na Jordan Ayew jimi fo we. Shebo bi anu Jordan Ayew bo. But Jordan dey Ghana we that's why. The radias pa omuma Canada aye de. Nyame nhira akwaro shego. Ejo anu dia ka Jordan Ayew mu dia ki am qualify.
Na me see the Ayew the Jordan Ayew me see mo retire no. As a striker untimi hold the ball for 5 seconds. Just a bonny drone morning there by na Panama aje. And no man who saves saves Panama keepers I saves say man who be as a striker shot on target kwa mubi. Initially can what say shot on as a striker shot on target one more retire omunina Jordan and no munina to more retire no.
Say then I'm paying for my amanya the whole much a day. Jordan Ayew a player one money beer. Events am hon tomo na. Coach of be beer also about Jordan Ayew. Jordan Ayew ya bre. E go she go no ofu na to. Jordan ya da was you go no more come my Ghana a good for my Jordan for 2015 Jordan me share Afcon boy am I events Ghana and we events Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire. Boy Eddie me call fine Jordan Ayew penalty crowd one say now share Jordan that was in the Michel be ye bro be ni na Jordan yeah man kwani ball no to was a santi bam na we am show Jordan free on the shego Jordan Ayew free on the shego what become the camp passing go to me share a day must mukiya na must am share akonfona must mukiya na a day oh Jordan Ayew be and kwani ball and no a chiro why a chiro back four no be a solid if feel solid and you Jordan Ayew kwa abra class was and then and my family na most abra bi shamia hey we feel Jordan Ayew there mo ka bi cheno sa kwa so papa na abra class Jordan Ayew class a day my amanya nyan ndom chese see am pokura pep e back na obobo Jordan Ayew and kwade bobo and fatal is akumos hey Thomas Asantemo and kwade superb and no semenyo and no first half year is about semenyo boy no boy second half Jordan Ayew with the ball one took no odejina so mike onko mika no ojina boy mu coach any grand match we dey any abrio ye any abri papa we say Ghana no your players o you have your team no Jordan Ayew free more and kwame me your makomam e dey actually am say o metabo Ghana na me yahu kwame metabo say o makoma no
Black Star any Panama game no as that can say nkoma ye coach no ntia ma changes so ye ntia ma she go no because na Jordan Ayew onya hwe Jordan Ayew a problem pa coach no any Black Star ayi technical team one more na mo hye sade no so Jordan Ayew a problem can you coach no NSS na can you go nche and can you go nche ayi coach no body bo osisa ayi Jordan Ayew no e don't think am she go no I don't think I'm a share going to next match. any question boy Jordan Ayew kra ah obobo instead say obe make sure say ball be can say obe control ball no obo ball to say the answer wanya ne game bi ah massa Black Stars get the taxpayers money any amount for na contribute am ko du bapia mo no enti munnim na ball na mo ball no mu di akoma di agora ene ma mo baga na abiem boy ya mo boy fe ma bo ahye ah I didn't the last minute Black Stars mo person boy too much ah mo bo match last minute mo shego na mo tini pa akoma mama ye confuse hu de ye ho start awie ye kofie ba ya me nhira coach no tira da bia yi your former coach your friend say Otuado for muso ko Otuado ka ye Otuado ko changes we da e ka ye Otuado ko changes we da assistant Jordan Ayew mo hwe oh assistant Jordan Ayew mo hwe Ayew family no ma have Black Star too much any question mo ma Ayew be bo Black Star kwa biem mo yi o nyina film na mo ma young boys na o mo be bo no adan yeni abre the whole vice president Abba Park yewura asantiman wura otumfo afa flight free Ghana Abba hala be support mo a asaka mo children asam ye dey Jordan Ayew your next match 129 ede NC Park no so na dey be sinye
me say Jordan Ayew or a useless player or a the ton for on your player yes shall banchi no to chacha ball a onya the man pass no to for the ball wait me see Liverpool legacy no Liverpool legacy on your player me see yes shall in toss the banchi na am bad market the man no to or a useless player over the team player so when minimum near by this time na yen in free minimum near coach in yen free na ma fi pate ma fi ni rough
Aden Jordan Ayew no ono oya untouchable ana ah eden no Charlie ye bobo pass ball no ye ni abre o ah coach next time fa Jordan Ayew mshemu obo 5 minutes ayi ni film memfa no nshemu
Chira wadwe ba me e wo comment section ayi penya block video like that